Hello and welcome back to my channel Slow Cooking with Evie. In today's video we're gonna cook beef stock. I've already cooked chicken stock and today we're gonna cook beef stock. For that we would need half of onion, salt, pepper, bay leaf, vinegar and also pack of short ribs. Ideally, if you have a butcher somewhere close by, you can always go there and ask, maybe they have some bones, and most of the time they would give you bones for free. And now let's start preparing our stock. So we're going to put onion, some salt, some peppers, 2 bay leaves, some apple vinegar. Normally I put around 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Now let's prepare meat. So we have our ribs and we have some meat on them. So I'm not gonna cook meat this time. I will keep it for the soup, which I'm gonna cook next day. I will use only bones with a bit of fat on it. So I'm gonna cut all the meat from the bones, and the bones will go to the slow cooker. As you can see, I have some fat on it, so I'm gonna remove it as well. And I'm gonna put it into the stock as well, so it will add some flavor. Let's remove this meat from the fat. Difference between chicken stock and beef stocks that beef stock is more fatty. As you can see, we removed a lot of fat from the meat, and also beef stock has more flavor in it. So I cut meat off the bone. I put bones into the slow cooker. I will just add some salt to the meat and add water. So I have water in the slow cooker, salt in the meat, and now I'm ready to switch it on. And I will see you tomorrow morning when our stock is ready. Overnight our slow cooker did its job and cooked our beautiful beef stock. So now we just need to filter it and leave for a day until evening, just to settle. As you can see, I have cheesecloth, and now you will see result through the filter. If I didn't filter my stock, everything would be there and the color wouldn't be that beautiful. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. It will help a lot to my channel, and also please subscribe so you will never miss my next video. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.